Okay, so I just wanted to run through the code that I've compiled from the Python development stage. So basically I've grouped all the imports here, and obviously you'll need to add these packages to the Python install that you did. You might have done it previously, or you might have them on there already, but often when you run this, and it'll diagnose and say something like you're missing so and so packages, so you might have to Google and download and find out how you do that. But once you've got all those, you should be fine. And if it worked on the development stage and you tried that, then you're definitely on your way. So we've got our request here, and then we're going through that. I put in a bit of a time sleep there just to give it enough time in case. And here we go, it's print, same sort of code here, goes through the same kind of thing, you know, just arranging the data and vice versa here. Obviously we won't see any of this, it'll all be running on the Pi without us doing anything, but we'll get to that stage a bit later. Defining the colours there, you can change those. You could even add a more kind of accurate colour changing scheme, you know, where you could change it every 0 point something, which would be quite cool maybe. But we covered that bit in the development stage, and we've got the code here. There is one thing I wanted to talk about, and that was just the serial access between the Pi and the Arduino. So this took me a lot of figuring out. I don't know what I've done or how I was doing it wrong, but I was struggling to kind of find the bit where the two would interact, where you could obviously send that string that we created into the serial import of the Arduino, and it would read it and vice versa, change the colour. So anyway, I kind of found the address at this place here. I kind of was under the opinion that kind of every address is different. Mine was this one, so if I just scroll along, you can see I've got it on the band, but it was mainly this part here. I can't seem to just highlight it, that part there, that I struggled to find. But there are ways of using your Pi to find out where the data gets stored, and where you should pass the data into from the thing. So that was quite cool, so I managed to write that to there. And then I've obviously got this Arduino Uno serial.write thing, which basically allows the Arduino to read it and everything, and I've got a sleep in there. So I hope that's okay, and I'll put that I'll put this script up in a file, and I'll obviously let you edit it with your own kind of individual keys, so you can get your own weather data and see how it works. But let me know if you struggle with this step in particular.